Check out this 1500 watt 2 horsepower 12.5 inch planer thicknesser from Renegade. Designed for professional use, this planer thicknesser offers a steady idle running speed of 9,000 RPM. Using 2 single edge knife cutter heads that can be resharpened, the unit has a depth of a cut up to 3mm. The single phase 1500 watt 240 volt motor delivers accurate cuts with every pass for a smooth, even finish every time. Use the smooth depth adjustment knob for precise operation and results. Keep your workplace tidy with the dust extractor attachment and never worry about overloading your unit with the built-in overload circuit. The unit also comes with a safety latch for the on and off switch. You also get a bunch of other attachments including 4 rubber feet and screws if you want to securely lock down your thicknesser on a workbench, as well as an onboard storage compartment storing a knife alignment wrench and a knife depth and alignment tool. An included push stick comes with the unit too, if you're wanting that extra safety passing through your work material through the thicknesser. With 18,000 cuts a minute on pieces of wood up to 317.5mm wide and between 5 and 152mm thick, the Renegade 1500 watt 2 horsepower 12.5 inch planer thicknesser brings you trade duty quality at a price that won't break the bank. You can get your own at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.